haven't had the bike out in a while, but it's a nice day. Get out and do a little bit of riding, and you paid for it, might as well use it. It's a bit chilly, like it was 44 degrees or so. Just gonna head down into town. This will be one of my longer rides on the bike, and see how that goes. Double check that we're filming. It's blanking. Here we go. Be safe. All right, here we go. So they said they were going to start serving Glazed and Confused at Big Tom's at 2 o'clock, from 2 to 4. So I'd like to get down there early enough to make sure I get one, and possibly do some filming along the way, just change up some camera angles or something, see how that goes. Just get out. Been at the house all morning, so kind of nice to just get out and move around a bit as we wait. I'll see about maybe having a bit of a conversation. Say I've been looking at the Sur-Ron bike a whole bunch, and just keep wanting one really bad. But one of the reasons for the City Slicker was to not get in trouble for riding an e-bike, have it be licensed and all legit, and that's where the Sur-Ron looks like a lot of fun, but I guess to me it's a little bit questionable when you're out using it and how things would go. So that's where the CSC City Slicker seemed to fit the bill for now. And again, I was replacing a Honda Metropolitan scooter. I really wanted to kind of keep a scooter and keep that type of thing going. So that's why I did that. But man, I keep looking at the Sur-Rons. They look really slick. It's a funky merge for traffic right here that not a lot of people pay attention to. So okay, all right, I can dig it. Didn't have lunch, so really looking forward to this Glazed Confused. If you don't know what a Glazed and Confused is, it is a, let me think about this. It is a breakfast sandwich, but it is a glazed donut cut in half with egg, cheese, and bacon, and they are delicious. So it's basically candy in a sandwich that's supposed to be for breakfast that I'm having for a late lunch. So it should be nice. And so far, I mean, it's a fun little ride. Not quite as cold as I thought it would be. Good to see some blue sky. Like to get over, but oh well. Just try and keep this whole ride as safe as we can. They know. I have to adjust a mirror. I'm coming over. Kids. There we go. And another light. It's going to be a lot of traffic lights all the way there. It's just the way this route goes. Oh, sweet. It's always something. But why did I even say that? So I wasn't recording on the 360. I think I am now. So you can get a pretty sweet picture of my gear bag. It's my travel bag. And right now I have my drone in it and some lenses and extra camera stuff. Just all of my run and gun photo stuff that I have. I'm sure the person behind me thought that was weird, or not weird. I mean, you can see the camera sticking off the bike, so who knows. So Sur-Ron, I want to buy one. It looks like a lot of fun, but I've got some other projects and other things going on right now. It just seems like a pretty big investment to make, so I just keep biting my tongue or keeping my wallet in my pocket, because it's a spendy little bike, but it looks like a lot of fun. So we'll see, maybe someday. Another bike, huh? There you have it. Wouldn't mind getting a little faster. Might as well switch to eco mode. That reminds me. So started the. That wasn't eco mode. What am I doing? Eco mode's over here. Man, it's been a while. This little ride started off 100% battery. I should have checked the miles. Maybe it's on the camera. I might be able to see it just to see how it goes. But I just rolled over to eco mode since we're going so slow here in traffic. Okay. So sitting in eco mode, might as well. But that's, so just now I just noticed it. I mean, here's the problem with eco mode. I wanted some more acceleration and it wasn't there. So already going to switch back. I'm not going to turn on my hazards. That's what I did last time. I have a feeling I'm going to be early to getting this little sandwich. So may try and find a place to switch up some filming or something. I don't know. Just trying to make some content, make a video so people can see this CSC. So 37 miles an hour, picking up 42, 45, and people are slowing down. So bike moves pretty good. I mean, whether it's the Sur-Ron or the Onyx, they're not much faster. And nor can you get much faster on these roads without speeding. The Sur-Ron isn't street legal. The Onyx, I don't know if the Onyx is or not. Onyx is, I kind of like the look of it, but I don't know how comfortable the bike would be. And there are no other e-bikes that interest me quite the same way as those two do, but definitely the Sur-Ron. It just looks like a lot of fun out mashing around in the woods or all-terrain type vehicle. Stuck on it. I keep watching videos, and then Dylan Thompson got his, and the Sur-Ronster popping wheelies everywhere. Just looks like fun. So we're almost to Big Tom's here, and like I said, I think we're early, a little bumpy. It's right over here to the left. I'm gonna have to turn around to get to it. Looks like I'll turn around right here. Hopefully filming again. All old cars. Can't look at my watch, so I don't know. I might go, I don't know what I'll do. I might go through the park and goof off a little bit before this sandwich. Just get a little more driving in. Maybe I need to do a burnout somewhere. That sounds like fun. Not in my neighborhood though, so looks like they're filling up already. Filling up already. We are at Big Tom's. Is it 2 o'clock yet? What time is it? 1:41. We got a little bit of time. Let's just keep mashing around. We'll come back. Oh, they've done some. I have to film over there. They got some creatures and dinosaurs and fun stuff. There you go. There's where you want the power. You don't want to be messing around with eco mode. Just ride through some of these neighborhoods. I'll give it to you, kid. You got more wheels than I do. Oh, could have peeled out right there. Well, I think there's a park right here to the right. I'm gonna go around to the other side of it. And drive around with my turn signal on like a goofball. Lions Park, okay. It's a little wetter here in the neighborhoods. I don't know that I've been all around this park. Oh. Okay. I'd like to find somewhere in the sun because it is chilly in the shade. That might be just going back to Big Tom's and goofing off. Maybe that's the ticket. So no, I got a bait. Oh crap! I forgot a mask, but I wore my neck warmer thing, which I think I'll have to double as a mask. Oh, geez Louise. What was I thinking? I just wanted a sandwich. Oh, hello. Well, let's go through the Big Tom parking lot. Thank you. Let's go through the Big Tom parking lot, and then we'll park in the other... I can't even get to the gravel lot. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? What am I doing with my life? There's no sunny spot here. Oh well. Oh, hello. I could probably just ride on the sidewalk, because that's what I could do. That's what I could do. Ooh, look at all that stuff. I think we'll just park right by the mystery machine. Alright, 84%. 45 degrees. Stuff and stuff. There you go. Okay, can you hear me? Just getting to Big Tom's. Whoa. Parked by the mystery machine. Bike's right here. And it's almost time for Glazed and Confused. Walked into the jungle here. I think it's the walk-up window. See if they're ready to take orders. Okay, got my Glazed and Confused. It's starting to cool off pretty quick. Probably just gonna eat here by the mystery machine and the bike, and then ride home. So there you go. Oh, that's delicious.